What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2021 Toyota Highlander started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key not detected, check key location. So what we need to do is take our fob, and we're going to touch the back of it to the stop start button, and then we'll be able to start it as normal. So we'll come over here, touch the fob to it, puts it in the on position, and now we can start it as normal. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.